that we done finally retrieved the box. If you're interested in watching me build this footrest and giving my review on it, make sure you stay till the end. But if not, we already know what y'all came here for. Let's get to the reveal. When first walking in, you are going to see my sister side of the shed. Now, if you want your own tour of her side, I'll leave her Instagram right here. Y'all can go ahead and let her know, because I've been telling her to create a YouTube channel and she just act like, y'all go hit her up and tell her to create one, and y'all could go look at her work. Her work is bomb. Now, over to this side. So we got this from, I think it was Hobby Lobby. We got this vase and we got these feather things from Hobby Lobby. It was so cute. She put it together and made it all tied together. So this whole theme of the black, the white, the gray, we already came up with a concept to go based off of, boom, this picture. This picture is every day. We got this picture from Home Goods. It's so pretty. Look at the texture on it. Like, oh my goodness. Y'all, do y'all see this? This is art. This is art right here. So going over to my side, oh my goodness, it came together so well. So let me break everything down for y'all. So this chair, at first I was using this chair right here that I have as, oh, this is my old faithful, y'all. Don't mind the hole. Don't mind the hole. So I was using this chair right here as my client's chair, and I was using like this different kind of chair as my chair because I wanted them to be comfortable and everything, until I bought this chair right here, which I will link down below. It's so cute. Let me show y'all. So this is a chair. I got it off of Amazon. I have this saran wrap right here because I don't want anybody to get like their hair grease or oil or anything on the chair. I don't mess with my chair. So this part right here comes out. You can pull it out at the bottom and they can be able to kick their feet up. What is this? I have to wipe this off. What is that? So they could kick their feet up on this, and you just put it back and push it. And I really like this chair because it's easy to wipe down from client to client. You don't have to worry about, I really didn't want any suede or anything like that because it would be hard to clean, because this chair right here that I've been having, it gets stained up so easily. Like, look y'all, this chair is rough. It gets stained up so easily. So on to the desk. I'm not going to go into the full detail of how I got the desk organized. Y'all can let me know down in the comments below if y'all want that kind of video, and I will definitely give it to y'all. So this little protector, I got it off of Amazon because I was like, I'm going to need this. This is a white desk, and I already got like a little stain right here of acrylic, so I was like, ugh. So this definitely comes into handy when you're dealing with your desk and you want to protect it, because all I can do is wipe this off, put my stuff on there, and then I have extra layer of protection because I use these dental bibs and stuff. I just lay it on top and call it a day and get to work. And my armrest. My armrest I got from Amazon. Most of the stuff I got from Amazon. Mostly everything I got from Amazon. But I would definitely have the links down below so y'all can go check those links out. And the light. Oh my goodness, I love this light. Y'all should already know, been on TikTok. TikTok. I stay on TikTok. And I'm pretty sure y'all have seen this light before when I say it is so bright. I'm not going to cut it on right now. Or should I? Okay, I might as well. The light has different settings. See if I like put my hand right here. We could focus a little bit. Oh, my hand's ashy. Let me get them out the camera. So this light, you can bring it up, down. I really like it to be like down, especially when I'm working and stuff like that, especially on nail art. I need to see everything. And it has like different settings, but I like to keep it on the highest one. I need to see everything. Moving along. Like I said, I'm not going to show y'all inside of the desk. If y'all want to know how I organize the inside of my desk, just let me know in the comments down below, and I could do that video for y'all. But this is what I wanted to get into. So this desk I got from Michael's. This one I got from Amazon. But they coordinate with each other because the drawers and stuff like that. Oh, okay. the drawers and stuff, they coordinate with each other. So I was like, okay, you see? Okay, you see. So this one I got from Michael's. I'm pretty sure y'all, if y'all haven't seen this desk already, it was on TikTok. I did all my research on TikTok, try to figure out a good desk. It's very big and very long and spacious, as y'all can see from this way. If I come stand over here, it's very long. Let me push this chair back. But then the only bad thing about it is, I don't know if this came with them like handling it and stuff like that. It came with these chips on here. Y'all see this? Yeah, like at first I thought my dad had did it when he put it together. He was like, no, it came like, I was like, came like that? What the hell? But I had bought this desk so long ago. If I would have bought it around the time when he put it together, I would have definitely emailed him. But I'm not gonna look at it. But if y'all want to get this desk, I will link it down below just in case y'all want to get it. But then that's the only con that I have with it is it came like kind of damaged or whatever. Moving on to this one. This is my holy grail. Y'all can see she got a few little scratches and stains on it. Don't mind, don't mind. Move this shit out the way. So when I first was organizing everything, I took everything out of this. Everything was in this. And I transferred it over to these drawers. The other one is over there. I transferred it over to these drawers. But I was like, okay, I have a lot of stuff. I don't want to have all of those organizers and stuff like that, because I didn't want it to be too crowded. Like, I didn't want it to be too crowded. I was like, I want to keep it clean, sleek. Look, I don't want it to be too crowded. So I took the drawers out and I organized it like this. So these little orange things came in it already. I can't pull them out. So I organized it like this. I have a first aid kit, my barbicide, my extra paper towels, my other paper towels right there. And this is my sterilizer. Let me move this out the way so I can show you. Everything will be linked down below. So y'all go check down below if y'all want to get any of this. So this is my sterilizer that I had got. I pull it out occasionally when I need to sterilize things, obviously. Because I don't have to have it on display like that. I only pull it out when I need it. And my Clorox wipes. And this is my towel warmer. Nothing is in there right now. And it's just my phone stand that I use to record my videos. Also got this off Amazon. Oh, she been through it. Everything's been through it. So I also got this off of Amazon too. Now, I love that it came with the idea to take the drawers out, because it gave me a good way to put, like, what the hell am I trying to say? A good way to be able to store the things without it being out in the open. That's what I was really worried about. I really didn't want it to look too crowded. That was like my main thing. I didn't want it to look too crowded. Didn't want it to look too crowded. But this, am I breathing hard? I feel like I'm breathing hard. I'm going to end up probably throwing this away because she is dusty. She's not even white no more. She's not even cream no more. Because when I used to do nails, I used to have like a background, the fur as the background and stuff like that. But I think I might get a smaller one instead of this one. But right now, y'all can follow me on my Instagram. I will link it right here, so y'all can go check it out. I've been just using this clear backdrop, well, obviously the clear thing, as my little backdrop. So yeah, so that is my little tour of the finished final thing of this. Oh my goodness, how could I forget the mirror? The mirror. We got the mirror from Home Goods too. They had a bigger one, but I think this one just fit so perfectly right here. So cute. The mirror. And I think I already told y'all where I got the TV from. Yeah, oh, this right here. The little purse hanger thing. So I got the purse hanger thing from Walmart. I got it from Walmart. It was like a spare of the moment type of thing when I actually bought it. Because I was like, oh, they might need something to hang their purse on, da-da-da. My sister was like, you ain't gotta wear money, da-da-da. You gotta be a girl's girl. Who wants to sit that purse on the floor? So I got this purse hanger. And right here for right now, we have her little teapot thing that she uses to dip the hot hair, dip the hair in. We have that, and we have the broom, so we can sweep. But this is probably going to be moved to a different area because I did want to have a snack cart and a mini fridge. And that's our little air freshener. It smells so good. So that's what I was planning on doing with this corner, but we haven't really found anything we like yet that kind of go with the theme. So if y'all know anything down below, let me know. And this is the final pan of the shed. The final pan of the shed. Let me know if y'all like these little vlogs. I would definitely keep y'all updated with doing these if I change anything in here. And this is the floors, her little mat, and the trash can. I think the trash can went perfectly right here. At first we had it over there, but I was like, it kind of take away from the space because I wanted to put the mini fridge and stuff right there. So the trash can went perfect right here, and it's very accessible to both of us. I could just like slide over the trash can to the trash can. I don't know, did I just jumble all those words together? In the trash can, and she could just throw that stuff away here, and that's it. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye. Let's do a little unboxing ASMR. I don't know if it's gonna be that satisfying, but let's go ahead. Now this was some necessities that I needed. The main one that I needed was for my pedicures, but then I wanted to get these files. I have the big ones like it, like, let me show y'all. Okay, like this one. I like that one. Oh, don't mind my mouth. I like this one, but I noticed that on the toes, this one can be like real rough, like real abrasive. It is 88. So I was like, okay, I could kill two birds with one stone and just get something smaller to do somebody's toes. So that's why I decided to get this one. It's still 88, but it's just smaller, and it's more of like a emery board material, not as rough. Y'all hear that? Not as rough as those. So I'm gonna see how these do. I just wanted to try them out. And the start of this show, let me move this out the way. I'll put that right there. That's this one. Okay, I'll put that right there. This. Y'all can't even see. Okay, now I gotta lift it up. This right here, the footrest. Oh my goodness, I've been seeing it everywhere and I've been wanting it because I feel like it'll be perfect, so I wouldn't have to like have them like stretch their legs out when I'm giving them a pedicure. It'll be more comfortable if I just like roll my chair around and have this, and they're able to just sit their foot on there, and I could just do it like that. I'm comfortable, they're comfortable, we're comfortable. So let me go ahead and open this up. I don't even know if I have my scissors. Oh, I have these little scissors. Oh my goodness, a bird. So cute. My sister, I didn't even realize that that was a bird until my sister was like, that looks like a bird. I don't know what the hell I thought it was. I thought it was like a flamingo or something like that. Just like a design. Like, I really wasn't paying that much attention to it. Hopefully, I don't have to set this thing up. Like, well, of course, I know I'm gonna have to set it up, but you know, nothing too strenuous. Oh, and it do need to be set up. Cool. Yay. So we get all of these parts out of here. Be careful so I don't show y'all anything in here because y'all will see the big reveal. And this little thing, I guess it's the base. And then they have the little cranky thing. And I love these things. They are so essential. You could just always have them to the side just in case you need them. And I think this is like the bottom part. So this is the bottom part. Oh, this goes like this. Gotcha. And then, of course, the star of the show, the footrest. So let me go ahead and put this together and I will be right back. I was ready to be Bob the Builder until I noticed very quickly, wait a minute, something is missing here. The screws. The screws were missing. Yeah, I was finna tear this shed upside down because I could not even find. Y'all see how on these instructions it shows like these little screws? So I'm looking through all the things, like I don't see any screws in here. Like the paper is empty, the box is empty. I'm like, screws? What screws? So I'm looking for the screws, y'all. The screws are in the bottom of the thing. Because if you see, they only show 4 screws. And this is them just showing you how to put it in there and stuff like that. So it's only 4 screws. So, oh my goodness, I was gonna act a fool. I was gonna say, hi y'all, y'all gonna give me some? And I ain't got no screws. But I found the screws. Now let's try this again. I wanted to add this in. So I'm thinking the whole time that the screws are missing, but you just have to deattach the screws from the equipment that came with it, just like the bottom screw. Y'all see that long pole thing that I have in my hand, right? So they have a screw attached to it. So you have to take that screw out and reattach it to the bottom part that's shaped like an eye and then screw it back on. So the screws are already in the equipment. I'm thinking it's going to come in a separate package, but I guess not all of them come the same. I would definitely leave the link down below for the footrest for all my nail techs out there who want something small, portable, for you to be able to do your pedicures on. Now let's move on. So this is the final product of the footrest. I can move it up and down. If I wanted to like pull it up, I could. And this thing, where is it? That little black knob, it screws it into place. The thing is moving down. Oh no. Let me lock it into place. And yo, it's done.